The CWA in St George run a lot of programs here in St George for the community. We are renovating a unit to be used as a short-term emergency accommodation. We're hoping that it will be the first port of call for people requiring overnight accommodation get away from violence within the home. We're going to set it up as a double bed sofa with a couple of single beds, hopefully a bunk bed or a single bed trundle bed situation. We'll have a kitchenette there with basic cooking, etc. So it's a safe spot overnight, and then they'll be transferred to a safer location the following day. I mean, domestic violence doesn't happen just in town, it happens everywhere. We're going to also utilise it through the Isolated Children's Parents Association, parents from out of town that need to come to town for whatever reason for their children. We put in the funding application to FRRR Monsanto Bayer, and with that we put in a reverse cycle air conditioner into the unit, and we're putting block-out blinds on the western windows, and hopefully enough money to do the screens in there as well. I really appreciate the fact that we got that money, because otherwise we wouldn't have got started anyway.